You guys ready for a little moto vlog on the sloped? First time using this thing for like riding, I guess. I don't know how good you're gonna be able to hear me. That was easy. This is a old driving range, by the way. Abandoned. Front shocks are gone, so if you hear it hitting, that's what it is. Woo, that's a good one. I should be able to go this way. Got him. I used to ride down this, but it's not that fun. It's a little bit bumpy and scary and sketchy. Something to think about. Oh, what do we have here? This thing looks so cool. Volvo? Yeah, it's a Volvo. That looks so cool. Oh, these are all imports. Damn. That thing's so cool. This place, so fucked. Good way to lose a phone. Camping ground? Bro, this place is pretty lit. Definitely rideable. Pretty cool. Fucking tent back here. don't think I want to do that. Probably end up getting fucking stuck. This is dope. Should I? Damn. I wonder how sticky this shit is. It's not that bad. Yeah, this isn't that bad. Oh, no, I'm thinking this is actually not good. Not good. Turn it around. Oh, my brother in Christ. Pretty cool. Make a good picture though. Kickstand barely works. Damn. This is pretty cool spot. It'd be fun to keep going, but I'll end up getting fucking stuck.
And as always, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I didn't do an outro with my 360 cam. Probably should have. I thought I did, but I didn't. But yeah, if you want to see more rides, go ahead. Tell me. If you want to see more rides, I can do it. I got a bunch of interesting spots to go and places to check out still with the moped. But yeah, just let me know what you want to see, and I'll probably do it. But feel free to follow my Instagram, which is Pacific Racer. Lots of dots and stuff, lots of taking pictures of cars and all that fun stuff. But yeah, until next time, see ya.